upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that's what you're looking for, you have found it. So subscribe. You can go ahead and subscribe right now and go ahead and hit the bell so you can see when I upload, because I do surprise uploads and giveaways coming up, and there's a lot happening, so just subscribe. Okay, and if you've subscribed, then you're one of my little doll babies, and you know I appreciate you so much. Today we are doing a wig tips video, and this series, I have a wig tip series and a Wigs 101 series where I talk about wigs, give tips, tricks, info, whatever about wigs. So this is going to be one of my wig tips, and this is going to be 5 reasons you should be wearing wigs. So let's get to it. These are no particular order, but reason number 1 is it's a protective style. I have alopecia. I have a lot of different videos on alopecia. Currently right now, I would say I'm in a type of remission or something like that. My hair is not falling out to the degree that it was. And because I've been wearing wigs pretty routinely, like it's like 80 jillion degrees right now, but pretty routinely I have been wearing wigs. I can see that some of my bald spots have grown in. My hair seems a lot stronger. I was able to bleach it, which I would not have been able to do in the past. So it is something that you can wear to protect your hair if you're trying to heal your hair, if you like did some crazy at home, you know, quarantine type hair dye situation and it did not go well. Wigs are a great way to hide what you did and also protect your hair and heal it as well. Number 2 just gives you options. I love wearing wigs just because, you know, I can wear my regular hair, which is this like short sort of shave situation. I can have hair down to my butt, pink hair, blue hair, curly hair, straight hair. I can do whatever I want hair. Okay, I can match all my outfits hair, and I really love the options and just the expressing yourself, and so that is another reason why you should be wearing wigs. Number 3 is the reason that a lot of people come to my channel and the reason that I actually came to wigs, which is a non-surgical solution to hair loss, whether that is from situational alopecia, like some people will experience that after pregnancy, if you have alopecia for other reasons, if you're going through cancer treatments, if you have just, you know, hereditary hair loss, wigs are a great way to get your confidence back, to feel great about yourself. I started to wear wigs when my alopecia was getting pretty bad. It was pretty bad there. I cut all of my hair off and then I started wearing wigs because I was afraid that it wasn't going to get better. So I wanted to be comfortable wearing wigs if I actually absolutely had to wear them. Now I absolutely love it, so I can't imagine not wearing them. And on a side note, my hair was healed a little bit. My alopecia is really tied to cortisol and stress, so I don't know what happened, but something happened. It's not really happening right now, so I'm happy about that. However, if you are going through any type of hair loss for whatever reason, wigs are a great way to deal with that without having to do some surgical situation. I went through a lot of treatments, a lot of shots, a lot of this, a lot of that, and instead of having to do all that, wigs are a great option. Number 4 is that you can maintain more of a natural style with your natural hair, and maybe even a natural color, and then you can experiment with different colors and styles via the wig. So this is the style that I have all the time. Yes, I have bleached my hair, but normally my hair wouldn't be blonde, although I'm really liking the blonde hair. Anywho, total side note. But my hair is natural curly. I don't do anything to my hair other than let it dry. I just started bleaching my hair, but if I want to have pink hair, purple hair, like look, I can have any color hair I want to have, and I don't have to worry about ruining my own hair doing it. Also styling, like if you want to get sort of this beautiful waved style, you know, you don't have to put, if you're wearing wigs, you don't have to put heat to your hair. You don't have to worry about if it rains, because wigs, synthetic wigs stay. If it rains, it's the same as when it's not raining. You know, you don't have to worry about if it's heat out, if it's hot like it is now, 1,000 degrees, if it's cold, if it's wet, if it's windy. Well, you might have to worry about if it's windy because, but yeah, at any rate, it is a great way to experiment with styling, have styling options, and not damage your natural hair. And number 5 is the reason I currently wear wigs, and it's just because I can express myself. I can test out different styles, colors, personalities. I can just lean into the wigs. I love it. It's an expectation now in my life that people expect that I be wearing a different wig. Now that I've been wearing my natural hair, they were kind of like, what's going on? What's with the wigs? At first they were like, what's with the wigs? Now they're like, why aren't you wearing the wigs? So I think that it's just a great way to express yourself, to feel great about yourself. You know, it's just fun, okay? And we need fun in our lives, don't we? So those are my top 5 reasons why you should be wearing a wig. If you have additional reasons, please put that down below. If there's another wig tips or Wigs 101 video you would like me to film, go ahead and put that down below. Both those playlists will be listed down below. Everything's down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.